What is the most effective method for manifesting love and dynamic relationships? I'm going to share my top 5 secrets to manifesting love that you can use immediately. You'll be able to use this to raise your love vibration and begin attracting your soulmate. So stay tuned. For the best advice on manifesting your soulmate, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell so that you're notified every single Thursday when I upload a new video. Hi everyone, I'm Diana Palm, founder of DianaPalm.com, your love attraction specialist. I've helped thousands of my clients increase their love vibration and manifest their highest potential soulmate. Now it's your turn, so let's dive in. Manifesting is really easy if you understand how the law of attraction works. Manifesting love from a state of loneliness will actually create more lack in your life and really accentuate the feelings of loneliness. So the best method for overcoming lack and scarcity when it comes to love is to surround yourself in the energy of love. This could be love from your friends, family, and even pets. Show appreciation for the love you experience every single day. This should actually be your #1 goal, to feel and experience love. Don't wait for someone else to come in and provide love for you. Actually go out there and witness love in your surroundings. Witness the expression of love everywhere you go, in fond memories, in movies, in songs, even in nature. When you hold the appreciation for love, it is such a high vibration that you are literally in that moment becoming an extreme love magnet. Appreciation will bring you love. Love yourself. Now, when I say love yourself, I'm not just talking about self-care. Sometimes people feel that when they're doing self-care, that's enough to provide them with self-love. But what I want you to consider is that if you're actually making choices in your life on a daily basis that support your self-love, making good choices in your career, getting additional education, or really making sure that you're hanging around with people that you love and admire, because they're going to influence your energy and your experiences in life. So when I say to love yourself, it goes far beyond the typical self-love measure. Make sure that you're actually loving yourself enough to create a prosperous, abundant, and loving life today, but also with the idea that you're creating a stable and abundant future for yourself. Leave me a heart below down in the comments if you have used any of these methods to increase your love vibration and manifest love. Stop ruminating over past relationships. This creates such a scarcity mindset, signaling to yourself on all levels that there's no one else to love. When you fixate on one person from your past and put all your energy and fond memories into what you once had, you're literally blocking all further avenues for love to reach you. So be thankful for the love that you've experienced, and it's okay to think back fondly and smile and appreciate, but make sure you don't spend too much time there, because love is here right now in this moment, and love is in your future as well. When you go backwards in time, you're actually cutting off and stagnating the ability for love to reach you. Visualize how you would like to experience love and a dynamic relationship. Many people are really good at the fantasy part of this. If you haven't experienced this before, you may have to give it some thought. Love can be uplifting and romantic and exciting, but it's good to have a healthy perspective on this as well. Expecting your partner to provide constant romance can actually come off as quite needy, and it's really not that realistic. So knowing how to visualize your most ideal partner in a loving relationship may actually be things like, what does it look like when we go to the store? What happens when we wake up? How are we spending our weekends? Are we able to hang out with no makeup on and do chores just as easily as we're able to go out for fine dining, dancing, and having very romantic getaways? So visualize being happy together in your daily life as well as romantic interludes. Now you know the exact method for manifesting love and dynamic relationships. Check out my free guide for manifesting love with 3 easy steps down at the link below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for the best love advice and manifesting your soulmate. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend. Thanks so much, everyone. I'm so happy you're here, and I can't wait to help you fall in love.